Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete your Discord account using the Android mobile app. Whether you want to take a break or permanently remove your account, this tutorial will make the process simple and clear. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on the Account option. After that, scroll down again until you find the Delete Account button, then tap on Delete Account. You will be prompted to enter your account password and confirm by tapping OK. Your account deletion process will begin. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.